Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. See, in this session I will teach you here interview questions, city-wise tax calculation using Stream API. We'll start with the implementation here. Simply come up with the IntelliJ. Here I am creating new Java class as city-wise tax calculation. See, this is our main class. I'm just going to write here main method. We are creating the class name as employee. Then here adding private int emp id as variable. Next private string, this will be emp have name. Private string emp have city. Private double emp have salary. Then using here @data, it will help us to reduce boilerplate code like getter, setter and toString. Next at $, constructor for parameterized constructor, at nor constructor for default constructor. And one more method I am writing public, this will be double get tax. Then here we are just going to return like this is, you can simply say emp salary, and flat 0.10% we are going to apply the tax there. Okay, Control A, Alt Control L, it will format the code base. Now we'll simply come up with the main class main method, and there I'm using here stream of, this is the Java feature. We are going to add here list of records. New, this will be employee, the ID is 121, name of employee I'm passing here Swara. The next employee I'm just here we are just going to pass the city as Pune, and this is, we are just going to consider as a salary as 97,000. Ending with, you can simply use .toList, and this will be list of employee. That's why I'm adding here list. It will be type of employee. This will be employee list equal to Control A, Alt Control L. It will format the code base. Then here I am just trying to add list of records. That's why we add here. This is second record. This is third, fourth, and fifth. 5 records we are trying to add. 122, 123, 124, 125. The employee name I am passing here Deepak. This will be next as Raj. This will be Lakshmi. The next is Pooja. And Deepak from Mumbai location. Then Raj from Bangalore location. Then Lakshmi from Pune and Pooja from Mumbai location. Then each employee we are adding different salary. Okay, yes, this will be like 92,000, this will be 94,000. Perfect. Then see, here we have added the list of records. Now we are just going to check like city wise tax calculation. For that perspective I am using here map. It will be like string type as a key, and value it will be double. Then you can simply say this is city wise tax map we are going to consider as a reference. Then we are calling here, this will be employee list dot stream dot collect. Then we are calling here collectors dot grouping by, this will be employee method reference as get emp city. Like this is city as a key, and the value it will be our tax we are going to consider. For that I'm just going to call here collectors dot, this will be, you can simply say summing double, and we are getting it employee dot get tax using method reference ending with semicolon. Now simply use s out. We are just trying to print here city wise tax map. If you are going to print it within single line, it will print like those key as a city and value as a tax. See, here is it. Perfect. City wise tax. Perfect. But it's printed on single line. We are trying to print in next line. For that perspective, we are just going to use, this is the, you can simply say reference for map city wise tax map dot for each. Then we are passing this key and value. Key, it means you can simply say this is the city name as a string type, and value it will be double, it means our tax. Then I am trying to print it by using printing statement. This is key and this is value using colon separated. Key it means you can simply say city, and value it means it will be tax. Simply try and run it. See one screen. Here is it. First it goes to print here Mumbai, and this is the tax, right? Bangalore, this is the tax, and again for Pune this is the tax available here. Perfect. Yes, but if you want to use for iteration also stream API, then definitely you can simply go with the another approach. You can simply use here city-wise tax map dot entry set dot stream, and then we are going to print it. This will be system dot out, and then you can simply use print ln. It will goes to print in new line. See one screen. See, here is the output, right? See, perfect. Then see, I want to explain this much logic here. For that perspective, see, we have added the variables as per our business requirement: ID, name, city, and the salary, right? Then here we are adding the flat, you can simply say 0.10% tax for each employee salary there, right? Yes. Then here we have added the list of employees by using stream API here, like we have available 5 employees. The next we have created the map reference. String it means you can simply say city name we are expecting, and double it means tax we are expecting, right? And this is just reference. Then this is the, you can simply say employee list, it means whatever reference we have created for list here, right? Then employee list dot stream dot collect, and then we are calling here collectors dot grouping by. Then you can simply say once, like we are using collectors dot grouping by employee method reference get city, it means group employees by their city, right? Yes. And then comma separated we have given collectors dot summing double employee method reference get tax. It means you can simply say sum the tax value 10% of salary here for each city. And you know, like this logic you can simply say can be adapted to any tax rate or conditions as needed. If you want to change their tax, you can simply change the value here. Other than everything it will be same only, right? And accordingly we are just trying to iterate the for each by using for each, you can simply say, right? Whatever we have available map reference as city wise tax map, then we are calling here entry set dot stream, and then we are adding here for each to iterate the record, and at the end you will be able to see the output here. Perfect. Great. It means you can simply say this is the city and this is the tax. Then in this session we done with our hands-on for like city wise tax calculation using stream API. In short, you can simply say we used here Java 8 feature stream API to like city wise tax calculation. Then we'll continue with this series for interview question answers, and this question is very popular, asked in, you know, MasterCard, Citibank, HSBC, those are the product based companies. Fine. Yes. Then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.